I shopped too many outfits for the festive season and we literally have something for everyone, so let's do a quick haul. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sanya and we are back with another video. आज का जो वीडियो है जैसा कि आपको देख के समझ में आ रहा होगा, it's a festive wear haul. So basically Raksha Bandhan is just around the corner and then we have the whole Ganpati coming up, Navratri coming up. So festivals are technically starting like really soon. So I thought let's do a festive wear haul जहाँ पे I have like some kurta set ideas, some jumpsuits in ethnic wear and like a lot of ethnic wear जो आप पहन सकते हो इस फेस्टिव सीजन में. इट्स वेरी वेयरेबल ऑल्सो, सो समथिंग दैट यू कैन डेफिनेटली वेयर टू ऑल ऑफ योर फैमिली फंक्शंस एंड वेरी बजट फ्रेंडली ऑल्सो. लाइक आई हैव केप्ट इन माइंड कि ये जो आउटफिट्स मैं आपको बताऊंगी ये अफोर्डेबल भी हो, साथ में एट द सेम टाइम थोड़े अच्छे भी दिखे. So yeah, I'm very excited to show you guys. We have a lot of items today. But before I get into the video, let me tell you कि सारे products Amazon से हैं and Amazon पे festive sale भी चल रही है. I'll make sure I'll link the details in the description box. So make sure करना कि आप उसे ज़रूर से check कर लो because you can avail like 50 to 70% off on some of your favorite brands. So what are you waiting for? So yeah, without any further ado, let's get into it. Okay, the first item I have got is a very beautiful sharara set, but it's not your regular sharara. It's more like जो जैसे मुस्लिम लोग अपनी weddings में पहनते हैं थोड़ा उस टाइप का शरारा है because it has like short kurta and long घरारा कह सकती हूँ मैं इसे, in a very beautiful peach color. So these are how the pants look. काफी अच्छा फ्लेयर है इसमें नीचे. I really like the pants. नीचे इसमें पूरा गोटा डिटेलिंग वर्क है which I really like and इसके साथ आता है ये शॉर्ट कुर्ता. Now again, so I'm in size small. This is by this brand Rang Riti. So this was the smallest size. So I think अगर आप मेरा बॉडी टाइप नहीं हो और आप मुझसे पतले हो तो यू माइट हैव टू गेट इट अ लिटिल बिट ऑल्टर्ड बिकॉज दिस इज द स्मॉलेस्ट साइज यू कैन गेट. बट आई लव हाउ इट लुक्स. लाइक इट्स अ वेरी ब्यूटिफुल कुर्ता विद स्लीव्स एंड आई थिंक बिकॉज अभी वेदर थोड़ा सा चेंज हो गया है विद बारिश एंड एवरीथिंग, मानसून्स आर हियर, सो थोड़ा सा कुछ ऐसा हल्का सा स्लीव्स पहनो तो इट फील्स बेटर इन दिस वेदर. So yeah, this is the first item that I've got. This sharara set literally has my heart. It looks so pretty and it has like foil print work all over it. Golden color का foil print work है जो इसको proper ethnic feel दे रहा है. Now this is how it looks when I wear it and I feel it fits me so well. It's very comfortable to wear also and इसका जो bottom है especially शरारा का जो elastic है वो बहुत comfortable है. Usually like the shararas I have owned, they are not the most comfortable, but this is very comfortable. So I genuinely enjoy wearing something like this. And if you want to actually dress up on Raksha Bandhan, so I think this can be one of those outfits that will make you feel like a little dressed up. So yeah, that's the first item I've got and I'm loving this one. Next I got a suit set. Now this has to be the most soft suit I ever owned because the material is like so soft. So this is by this brand Janasa. इनके मैंने पहले भी बहुत कपड़े try करे Amazon से and it like never disappoints me. इनका small will perfectly fit like a small person, like जिसका भी small body type है. So this is what I ordered. So the kurta is actually pretty basic, but the color is very pretty. Like green print है पूरा, दूर से ऐसा लग रहा है बांधनी print है, but it actually has this flowers and thoda sa asymmetric print which I genuinely enjoy a lot. This is a sleeveless one and I feel something like this can be worn not only on Raksha Bandhan लेकिन उसके आगे पीछे भी अगर आपको कहीं पहनना है, कोई फंक्शन है घर पे छोटा मोटा, तो उसमें भी काफी काम आएगा. And this comes along with the pant of course. So it has like basic straight pants but not like very fitted जो नीचे से मतलब एकदम ऐसा narrow हो जाए. So I really like how it fits again, elasticated, and it comes with this contrast dupatta in pink color. So like the whole contrast of green and pink actually looks very beautiful together. And dupatte में भी side में थोड़ा सा गोटा detailing है that I enjoy. So this is how it looks. I think this is just one of those suits जब कुछ नहीं समझ में आ रहा है राखी पे, और if you are someone like me who feels like यार ऐसे रेडी होना बहुत पसंद है, but if you're just at home, you're not going out, just some cousins are coming in and you want to like dress up but बहुत ही minimal रखना है, तो I think if you're a minimalistic girl then this will actually work out really well for you. So this is the next item that I've got and I love how comfy this is. Like material is like so soft that you can just wear it anytime you want and like day to day life में भी आप इसको definitely pair up कर सकते हो. So for Rakhi you can maybe just add like झुमकास like these one. These are also from Amazon by the way. इसका मैं अलग haul डालूंगी jewelry का. But yeah, so something like this for maybe festive feel, but on day to day life में आप इसको basic as it is pehno and you're good to go. So yeah, that's the next item I got. It's so comfy and definitely for all the minimalistic girls out there. Next up, I actually got a very plain kurta set, but the color is so pretty. So I got this golden color का kurta set. It looks so royal and बहुत ही सुंदर है. ऐसा silk वाला feel दे रहा है material. This is again by Janasya in size small again, and I love how it is very basic plain kurta. Comes with a matching similar straight pants again, जैसा पिछले वाले सूट में था, because that was also by the same brand. So सूट काफी बेसिक है, कलर बहुत प्यारा है, लेकिन इसका दुपट्टा इज आई थिंक द मेन सेलिंग पॉइंट बिकॉज इट हैज दिस बनारसी दुपट्टा विच आई रियली एंजॉय अ लॉट एंड इट्स लाइक कॉन्ट्रास्ट बिकॉज द सूट इज सच अ सिंपल कलर सूट. जो दुपट्टा है वो रेड कलर का है विद पूरा बनारसी वर्क विच लुक्स सो सो प्रिटी. सो आई जेन्युइनली फेल इन लव एज अ फर्स्ट साइट पे व्हेन आई सॉ इट बिकॉज आई डोंट हैव एनीथिंग लाइक दिस इन माई वार्डरोब एंड आई न्यू आई वांट टू ऐड समथिंग लाइक दिस जो festive feeling भी दे, but at the same time if I want to actually minimalize it I can. मतलब if I don't take the dupatta I can just wear this regular basis में कहीं पे भी, and if I just add the dupatta it becomes like a party wear festive wear suit. So I genuinely like how it looks on me also, and the material is also quite comfortable and you feel like you're wearing silk but it's not actually silk, it's cotton. So that's the most comfortable part, and the finish is also very nice and very regal kind of feel. So I genuinely enjoy this one a lot, and yeah, that's the next item that I got. I got a suit again. So this is again by Janasya if I'm wrong. Yeah, I think I got a lot of suits by Janasya. I genuinely fell in love with the price point, the quality and the designs, everything. So the only drawback with this suit is कि मुझे एक size बड़ा आया है. I wear small but I got a M in this one. I ordered small but I don't know why they sent me a M, so I'll probably return this one. But I'll still wear it and show you guys just for a better understanding of how it looks. So I ordered it purely for the color because the color is like a very beautiful pink. I don't know exactly what shade of pink this is. I genuinely enjoy something like this, and it has this whole golden foil detailing work again which makes it look like very very pretty, and it just comes with a pant like the straight pants in the same base color. It does not have a dupatta but I'm okay with it because मुझे ऐसा लगता है कुछ सूट ऐसे होने चाहिए जो आप एज इट सेल्फ पहन सको, एंड यू कैन ऑलवेज एड लाइक अ सिल्वर और अ गोल्डन दुपट्टा विद दीज काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स. So yeah, that's the next item I got and this is how it looks. I'll just have to return it because it's not my size, but I genuinely enjoy this one. Iska material I will say it's mix of cotton poly, which may not again be the most comfortable. So I think this is the only item jiske liye I'm a bit skeptical, but otherwise I love how it looks in general. I got a jumpsuit that I'm actually wearing right now and I love it so much. मैंने इसके लिए एक short भी post करा है. So like I am planning to wear this Raksha Bandhan, like go all out. It's from India and it has this belt on the waist which actually like clenches your waist very very well, and you can just add some golden accessories like I'm actually wearing right now. This is how it looks. It's just so flowy, so comfy, and I think these kind of jumpsuits are perfect for like Raksha Bandhan or Ganpati coming in, when you don't want to wear like suits because आप suits अक्सर पहनते रहते हो और आपको लगता है कि यार कुछ ड्रेसी होना है लेकिन कुछ हट के होना चाहिए, थोड़ा इंडो वेस्टर्न फील टाइप्स. तो थोड़ा अगर आपको इंडो वेस्टर्न टच में पसंद है, so I think this will actually go out really well for you as well. And you know the thing with इंडो वेस्टर्न is कि आप उसे रक्षाबंधन के सिवा कहीं और पे भी स्टाइल कर सकते हो, एंड दिवाली के पहले भी जो प्री फंक्शंस होते हैं आई थिंक उसमें भी आप उसको रीवेयर कर सकते हो. एंड या समथिंग लाइक दिस इज सो गुड. सो अ हैक दैट आई एम गोना यूज इट. अभी मैं रक्षाबंधन पे इसको ऐसे ही पहन रही हूँ जैसे मैंने पहना है, एंड ड्यूरिंग दिवाली आई जस्ट ऐड लाइक अ गोल्डन स्कर्ट ऑन टॉप ऑफ दिस एंड मेक इट लाइक अ ब्लाउज. सो इट विल बी लाइक अ this color blouse and the skirt will be different, or you can just wear like a shirt over this and make it like a different outfit altogether. Like I just like it because you can style it in so many ways. It's super comfortable, which is the reason I'm wearing it also right now. So yeah, that's the next item that I got. Next up I got a very basic kurta but I love how it fits me. This one is by Janasya again in size small, and this is a sleeveless kurta but it's more like a fit and flare kurta, and it's just a floral kurta, printed kurta in pure cotton. And I just feel like, you know, Raksha Bandhan के बाद भी आगे पीछे often you end up going to a lot of people's house for Rakhi. So उस scenario में आप कुछ ऐसा पहन सकते हो and you can just, you know, wear it simply कहीं पे भी बहुत ही comfortably. रक्षाबंधन के आगे पीछे अगर आप किसी के यहाँ जा रहे हो and you don't want to dress up, you just want like a simple कुर्ता डाल के चली जाओ, तो I think उन scenarios में कुर्ता बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. And this is actually something that I felt कि यार मैं day to day life में भी पहन सकती हूँ. So अगर आप college जाते हो, office जाते हो, तो you can definitely wear this. And you know, if you're working professional and आपके office में रक्षाबंधन पे छुट्टी नहीं मिल रही है, but you have to go and meet your cousins or your brother after, you know, the whole day of office, तो आप कुछ ऐसा पहन के ऑफिस जाओ एंड आप इसी में रक्षाबंधन मना सकते हो. सो इट्स जस्ट वन ऑफ दोज आइटम्स. Super comfortable, looks very very nice. This is how it looks on me. I genuinely like something like this, and I feel this is actually a very versatile item to have in your wardrobe. Jeans के साथ पहनो, bottoms के साथ पहनो. But I actually got a bottom wear for this, since I have a lot of ethnic wear but I do not have like good bottom wear. So I got this one by Globus. So this is in size small. Again, this is like a white प्लाजो पैंट काइंड ऑफ थिंग. नीचे थोड़ा सा इसमें ऐसा फ्लावर नेट डिटेलिंग है, विच आई लाइक, एंड इट्स जस्ट वेरी वेरी कंफर्टेबल. सो आई थिंक हैविंग अ गुड वाइट पेयर ऑफ बॉटम कैन नेवर गो आउट ऑफ स्टाइल, एंड यू कैन जस्ट वेयर इट विद लाइक सो मेनी डिफरेंट थिंग्स. And this kurta and this actually looks very good together, like as a pair, and you can see how it looks as a pair. Genuinely, this is one of the most comfy outfit you can wear on Raksha Bandhan. So अगर last minute में कुछ नहीं समझ में आ रहा है, एक कुर्ता डालो ऐसा wide leg, white plazo डालो, and you're sorted. So yeah, I think this is just perfect, and that's the last item that I got. So yeah guys, these were all the items that I got for Raksha Bandhan, and if I have to pick like my favorites, I think this one what I'm wearing right now, and definitely the last outfit that I showed you guys. Do comment down below and tell me which is your favorite item. And Raksha Bandhan coming up, please अगर आप लड़के हो अपनी बहन के लिए देख रहे हो तो आप इसमें से कुछ गिफ्ट भी कर सकते हो उसे, and अगर आप लड़की हो देख रहे हो तो stock up on your ethnic wear because it's high time, and let's dress up pretty this Raksha Bandhan. By the way, सारे items Amazon पे हैं, Amazon पे सेल भी है, तो आप चेक कर सकते हो. सारी डिटेल्स डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में होंगी, कमेंट्स में लिंक भी पिन कर दूंगी, तो मेक श्योर करना वो भी चेक कर लो. And yeah, that's it. If you did like this video, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Also hit the bell icon so that you never miss a video from me. I'm gonna see you guys super super soon again. Until next video, bye guys, take care.